Hey everybody, Joel Donner back with another ball video. Today we're going to talk about the Magic Gem. First off, I want to apologize I haven't put this out. I know the ball's been out for a little bit, but unfortunately, just recovering from surgery, and unfortunately I lost my father a couple weeks ago, so I've been dealing with that. But anyways, to the Magic Gem. What a great ball this is. I think this is going to be a really good hybrid. Probably the strongest hybrid I've thrown. It's very strong. It's got a lot of teeth to it. But I like it, even though it's strong, it's really controllable and it's really smooth, like a hard smooth on the back end. I think if you have the gem and the exotic gem, this would be a great transition when the gem's too early. Then you're going to be able to pull out the magic gem and pretty much play in the same spot and get a little bit more down lane. For as strong of a hybrid this is, it really does get down a little bit more than the mid lanes. It gets down a little bit further than that, which I really like. And I think you're going to be able to stay with that magic gem a little bit longer. And then when the magic gem ends up going away for you, I think the exotic gem will be able to come into play with you. So I think for a while here, I think we've really got a 3-ball setup with the gems that are really good and really controllable. I really like all 3 bowling balls, and I think these are going to be in my bag for a while. If you have any questions about the technical side, jump online to stormbowling.com and kind of read the little snippet about that, or better yet, go to your local pro shop and talk to your head pro shop guy or whoever you talk to at your pro shop. But I think this is going to be a really good, really strong, really good transitional hybrid that most of you are going to like. Again, I want to thank, speaking of local pro shops, I want to thank Matt Fowler again for doing all you do. I want to thank I Am Bowling. I got my new shirt on from I Am Bowling. They're coming out with some really good stuff. Make sure you go there. And don't be afraid to use my code JD11, JD11 to get that. I want to thank Tommy Churchka and the crew out at May City Bowl for letting us do the videos out there. And like I said, these videos are going to end up with me putting a tribute to my dad. Rest in peace, Dad. I appreciate everything that you've done in introducing me to the sport. It's the best thing that you ever did for me, besides being a really great father. So, again, guys, go ahead and check out the Magic Gem. I think a lot of people are going to like this. So, until next time, we'll see you later.